Hey everyone. If you're thinking about selling beyond your home country, yeah, Shopify makes international expansion much easier than it used to be. Let's walk through the key steps. First, open your Shopify admin and go to Settings, then Markets. This is where you manage regions, currencies, and localization. Click Add Market and select the countries you want to sell to. You can group multiple countries into one market if needed. Next, enable local currencies. Yeah, customers are far more likely to buy when prices appear in their own currency. Adjust pricing if necessary. Shipping costs, taxes, and purchasing power vary by country. Go to settings, then shipping and delivery. Create shipping zones for your new countries and define rates. Enable duties and import taxes if you're shipping internationally. Yeah, this prevents surprise charges for customers. Now focus on localization. Translate your store, adjust language, and consider region specific messaging. Different countries prefer different payment options. Adding local methods can significantly increase conversions. Before launching, place a test order. Yeah, check currency display, shipping fees, and checkout flow. And that's it. Expanding internationally with Shopify is mostly about smart setup and careful testing. Once done right, it opens up massive growth opportunities.